Hello friends, this is Sai Phanindra from SQL School. I assure you practical step-by-step classes with 19 plus years of dedication, love and trust on my technology SQL. I assure you 100% practical step-by-step classes. Upskill your career with MS SQL and TSQL. I assure you 100% real time and will be very helpful. These classes will be very helpful for your next job activities. Agenda for today's short demo class. What is database? We are going to learn types of databases. What is DBMS? What is SQL Server and SQL versus TSQL basic difference. We are going to learn about the trending job roles right now in the market, demand-wise as well as safe salary-wise, the course curriculum and project information. Let's get started. And we need to also get into the actual learning process for our classes. What is database? First agenda item. Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. No restriction at all. Fully secured, easy to organize, and stores unlimited amount of data. Supports cloud and AI capabilities and endless job opportunities, trust me. There are two types of databases on my screen. Number one, OLTP. Number two, DWH. OLTP stands for Online Transaction Processing Database. To store live real-time data like live temperature, live stock market operations, anything live. Other one, DWH, means data warehouse. To store historical data, old, inactive, stale data. We have OLTP and data warehouse always blended together for any end-to-end database project in IT, information technology. Job roles. Developers will be involved in design of OLTP databases. Engineers will be involved in design of DWH databases with something called ETL, extract, transform, load, ETL process. And data analysts will be involved in reporting, dashboarding, visualizations. And what is DBMS? Database Management System. It's a software to build and design databases, manage, access, analyze, secure, monitor databases, and troubleshooting capabilities as well. Apart from troubleshooting capabilities, we have implementation of AI with current day, present day, latest DBMS versions. Different companies came with different DBMS in the market. SQL Server, Oracle, Postgres, Sybase, Informix, DB2, and more. The underlined item, SQL Server. Why? A versatile DBMS, a powerful DBMS from Microsoft for your day-to-day activities. Easy to implement, highly secured, faster data access, and big data analytics with cloud. These are the wonderful, beautiful advantages of SQL Server from Microsoft. Apart from that, supports AI and Gen AI with Copilot activities, part of our training classes. Now, what is SQL? Structured query language. To store any type of data, any amount of data, we use databases. But to touch database, we need SQL. To manage and monitor database, we need SQL. And this is our course, SQL. Developers, engineers, analysts, admins, anyone, everyone, they have SQL concepts requirement in their daily job activities. And Main activities for SQL developers responsible for design of OLTP databases. Data engineers, design of data warehouse databases with the help of ETL, extraction, transformation, and loading activities. And then comes data analysts, reporting analysis activities. Everyone needs SQL. And coming to the job growth, career aspects, package-wise, SQL always wins the match. A guaranteed growth technology, SQL. A mandatory technology also. A mandatory technology also. So who can join this course? Anyone, everyone, and no prerequisites, because I'll start the classes from the very basics. In a friendly, step-by-step environment with useful examples. Pretty sure about it. You love the classes. I'll make you love SQL step by step. And here are the list of all dependencies with SQL. SQL is a boss. SQL is a base. Always on top of the hill. From there, we need to journey slowly, either development, left side, query tuning, programming, developer, or you can go for data engineers, fabric engineers, Power BI, Copilot, or you may also opt for Snowflake, Python, or other platforms. SQL is a starting point for everyone. And that is our course, MS SQL. The yellow box, 400 plus queries. What we are going to learn? Yes, in this MS SQL 400 plus queries course, we have 30 concepts on my screen, 100% practical, and these concepts will be helping us a lot for next level data engineering and or data analysis operations. This course will definitely help you a lot. What more? Let's meet live for a demo class. Let's understand more about our actual classes. Let's understand more about the concepts pertaining to our course. You may opt for data analysis, business analysis, data engineer job roles, data scientist, BI developers, anyone, everyone. My 400 queries SQL course will definitely help you to get a great solid start for your technical journey. Optionally, you may also do query tuning with me, 20 plus query tuning concepts for experienced profiles. For everyone, module 1 should be fine. For experienced profiles, module 2 would also work. So in module 1, we are going to learn good number of concepts, step-by-step activities. We are going to have total of 3 different real-time case studies with use case scenarios. Let's meet live for a demo session. Let's understand more about this cautious, carefully designed course. Let's get all clarifications. You may reach me directly or you may reach our team for any kind of clarifications or questions. Thank you so much and see you there in the live class. Thank you once again. See you soon. Bye-bye. Take care.